I'm going to go here and bring up the horizontal line. This is the horizontal line. Okay, so I took this particular trade here. I took it here. Here is my entry point. So I now have to check what has been happening so far, like the previous reaction of the market. We can see here at this particular point here, we just have this resistance and you can see it. So but I feel this one is like too far. And what time is this? This is around 9 o'clock, but I think it's too far. There is not really a huge support and resistance on it. So you can see here is the support and here is the resistance. We can see here is my, let's say this is my one, this is my two, this is my three, and on my four I'm going to place the trade. So on my one, we are going to analyze this whole candle. This candle that we see here is a shooting star on downtrend, and you can see at this particular top they have a strong hold here. The price is very strong here. Also, that make it my one and the characteristics. And the number two thing is this particular candle. This candle formed continuous pin top on downtrend and it give us green. Also, I just see that the wick of this candle reaches this height. You see, when it reaches this height, they try to push it back up to this particular height. When they push it back to this particular height, and you see, they continue pushing to this particular height, they push it to this particular height again. Also, the price have to close at this particular point. So, if you want to compare this candle body and this candle body, you can see that this candle body here is bigger than this one. Is bigger than this one. Also, they are unable to push the price to this particular height. You know, I told you that the price is very strong at this particular point. So, and when the next candle, which is my number three, that give me my like the ready and before I press go, you can see that this candle here, when it started here, I feel the red here try to push the candle up to this point. When they pushes the candle up to this point, you see the downtrend now push the candle down here. And if you want to see this particular candle, you can see that this candle engulf the whole body of this candle. The body engulf the whole body, even the wick also engulf it. And you can see that this candle here, the price did not pass this particular height, and also they engulf this particular candle to this particular height. And when I see that there is no lot of support and resistance in the previous history of the chart, and that is when I took my trade on on my 1 minute expiry. So when I took this trade here and I won, you are going to see how the trade play out. So you can see when I'm about to place the trade in 3, 2, 1, and I place the trade immediately. And I always enter my trade when another candle is about to form. And you can see I'm trying to look for any support and resistance that might even affect the price dropping from this particular height. And also we are on downtrend. I must look for a down opportunity because I am trading with the trend. So this is how the trade is playing out, and you can see that the price is fighting here, and you can see that they try to push the price up above where I place my trade, and you can see they try to bring it down, and it is a very tough decision because the candle should have fall like in 20 seconds, should have um fall below where I take my trade, and you can see what I just predicted is playing out now. So that is the trade I'm going to be analyzing with you today. So by tomorrow, I'm going to take another trade and I'm going to analyze the whole thing with you guys. So you are going to understand how I'm placing trade, what I'm seeing before I am placing my trade.